That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to leave her recipe for y'all down below because that's good. That's yummy. Yeah. Looks good, huh? Alright, say bye-bye, fishies. What is that? Gumbo. Yeah.
It's gumbo locally made in New England.
Like, nah, I need it from New Orleans.
Yeah.
I don't trust that.
So it's a New Orleans, Louisiana dish made in New England, sold in Laredo.
Like where they do that at? What are those? It's clams? Those mussels. Yeah, you ain't like that.
Yeah, you don't like those, buddy.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Let's get those for our steam pots.
With the mussels? Yeah, hey, so we are here at H-E-B. We're doing a little grocery shopping. So pretty much don't need a lot because we're going on a trip again. So we just need to get a few things for the house. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But we just need a few things for the week. And then we should be good to go. I got some shrimp now here because I'm going to be making some African food today. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about it because my dad, he bought me some stuff before I came down because y'all know down here they don't have, well, at least down here, if you guys don't know, down here they don't have African stores or like international markets that sell like, you know, cassava leaf and halal sauce and stuff like that. And I am super excited. I already bought a few things. I had to order Torborgee oil from a company in Atlanta, so that's here. And I pretty much have everything. So I pretty much have everything that I need. So if you guys want to cook African food with me today, you guys are going to cook African food with me today, okay? Daddy falls for it again. Babe, we were just here yesterday. Oh, God.
I wasn't.
Well, see, and this is why they come into the toy aisle every single time we go, because he falls for it.
Tristan.
So, anyways, hope you guys, Tristan, Daddy's calling you. So I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a while since I posted a vlog. I think I posted our last travel vlog up last week, so now I got to get back in the groove. And like I said, since we'll be traveling again, I'll vlog that and all that. We just came from church and everything, so now it's time to just grab a few things at the store and then head on home. So we shall see you guys at home. I see what, there was one toy, where is it? Right here. He has that already. He has this already. He has, no, that's, you don't have that. That looks like the car we saw at Monster Jam. So, he pretty much has literally every Hot Wheels car. Like, he needs a sponsorship with Hot Wheels. Let's see if we can make that happen for Christmas. Yeah, look, he's looking like he wants something too.
Tristan, what's this? That comes with a truck and a car.
Ooh. Alright, you guys, so we are home now. And this is the kitchen lid right here. Ooh. So it's frozen right now, so I'm about to get it defrosted and stuff. It's the Torborgee oil. Like I told you guys, I had to order it from a warehouse in Atlanta because we don't have African markets here. We don't have international markets. There ain't no African nothing here. Just maybe a few Africans here, including myself, but that's about it. So this is where I got it from, the African Food Warehouse online store. So yeah. Here's the website right here. In case you're in the area where there's no African food, you can order anything off of there. They have fufu, all the oils you need, the palm oil and stuff like that. So yeah, Bubba. Oh, is that what Selena was doing?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he is obsessed with Selena. Did she poop?
No.
Okay, she's still waiting. Okay, go watch her and make sure she poops, okay?
Okay.
But my dad got me some fufu as well, so if you guys would like to see another video of me cooking that fufu. They bought the greens for me to make the pilau sauce, but I'm gonna have to order, here you go. I'm gonna have to order some palm oil because I saw a girl online who said that you can cook pilau sauce with Torborgee oil, but I was talking to my mom and she said that no, you usually use palm oil for it. So I said, dang. So I'm gonna have to order it. Maybe I could find an African store where I can get some palm oil because I don't want to have to wait. It'll take that long for this to come. It took about 4 days, or so. But I need that palm oil because that's actually what I wanted to make first. I wanted to make the pilau sauce first, but I don't have that, and I don't want to make that and it did not turn out right because I cannot be an embarrassment to my people. No. Okay, we have to shoot a campaign. Actually, I have 2 campaigns to shoot, but it just depends on how it feels outside. It's too hot to shoot outside right now, so let me go ahead and get cooking because I'm starving, and I'll come back and cook with you guys.
Yeah. I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Alright y'all, so everything is boiling and cooking. It just smells so good. Oh my goodness. Woo, it's getting steamy, y'all. The kitchen over here. So as soon as this is done, then I have to put it in the grinder and or the blender and then like mush and stuff like that. And then I just need to wait like maybe 30 more minutes for the chicken and stuff because it's getting done. The shrimp's already looking done. Yeah, it's almost done. Sorry if y'all can't see it because it's steamy. But yeah, so it's almost there, halfway there. It says not to just let it cook and stuff like that all the way. You don't want to be eating no raw chicken or no. Alright, so it's looking good, y'all. Okay. So like I said, as far as the meats, because usually like when my family makes it, you know, they have the whole safari in it. They have cow feet, chicken feet, crab legs, shrimp, all of that. Like they have the whole, oh, they just have every animal in there, and I love that. But like I said, here we don't have that, so I just got what I'm glad they had chicken feet. Like I've never seen chicken feet down here, so at least I got that. All right, so now it's time to blend. So I'm gonna put them in this small, sorry y'all, my lighting is so dark in my kitchen. I just need better light. I need better light in my kitchen, y'all. But because it's still light outside, it's just so dark in here. So I'm going to just put this in the blender. I don't want to use the big blender because that's how we make smoothies. And this stuff is really strong, y'all. And I would hate for smoothies to come out smelling like Kittley. It's Kittley smoothies now. And I'll just keep doing that. Selena, wanna go outside, mama? Go outside. Come on. Go potty. Alright, so I'm trying to record and do a TikTok. See, this is why you can't work for free, y'all, because it's a lot. It's a lot of work, okay? Alright, so let me pull up my dress.
waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being.
Alright, so I took the meats out. So the meats are right here. Camera looks crooked, y'all. Alright, so I took the meats out. They're right here. And now she said to put it on low heat. And then we're going to add some more bouillon. So I have the bouillon here. And it's in español. Alright, so we're just going to add a little bit for seasoning. That's what she says. And then pink salt. Like, I love salt, but I love... Can y'all see me? I love using salt, but I love using pink salt specifically because it is just, I don't know, it just tastes a lot better. So I just added some onions, and then I'm supposed to add the kitsuli in there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Yo, look at that. I just don't know how excited I am for this, okay? Like, I'm ready to hurry up and get this done. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Let me see. Am I supposed to take... No, I don't think I'm supposed to take any more soup out here. Alright, so now I can add the Torborgee oil. She doesn't say how much, but y'all know how us black people do. We don't like to measure when we cook. At least I don't. Because I just want things to taste good. So I add the Torborgee oil. I'm just going to add little by little just to make sure I don't add too much, but I add enough. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to leave her her recipe for y'all down below because that's good. That's good. All right, y'all, it is done. Yeah, y'all. This tastes so good. It's like the closer I get it to the camera, it gets smoky or steamy, I should say. But yes, y'all. So like all the chicken like shred, so it's like all in there. Like, whoo! I need to get this in my belly ASAP, y'all. Ooh, I did it again. I did it again. All right, y'all. So I've been eating it. And it's good. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Ooh. My ancestors will be proud of me. Yeah, so it's just missing some spices because usually, most times when I eat it, like my relatives don't make it super spicy, but there's that spice in it. Because they probably know that too much spice is going to have the family members running to their bathrooms, and I know they don't want those problems in their house, okay? So... But yeah, it is good. Like, it tastes just like my mom's. Oh my goodness. So y'all should come try some.
Go try some of your mama's food.
Wanna try some?
Have fun, guys.
I told y'all the big guy's not into African food. He just likes check rice and jollof rice. I'll make you some jollof rice next time. It's so good. My goodness. I did what, y'all? That. What y'all doing, bye-bye? Y'all still playing hide and seek? Okay. I'm gonna stop making y'all jealous right now. Clearly this is good. So once I finish this, then I gotta clean up, shoot this campaign, and get ready.
Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why. Do whatever feels right. Find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die. Gotta make it count. So lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
You don't have a shirt on, boy. Alright, you guys. Oops, it's dark. Ooh, my goodness. Feel my backbone. All right, come on. Here, go up the stairs. So we just told Daddy good night. Now we're up here in the kids' room. I'm about to get ready for bed and all that. So, I am tired, y'all. Like, today was very chill. We didn't do much today. We just, yes, Bubba.
It's Maddie's room.
It's Maddie's room, yeah. But you guys share. So we went to, we really didn't do much today, y'all. We just went to noon service. Then we went to the grocery store, came home. I cooked. That took me longer than I thought. Oh my goodness.
I got my toys.
Yeah, you got some more toys? Yeah. She go get the cars and show them. But it took longer. So yeah, that took me longer than expected. And then we didn't get a chance to shoot the campaign, but I want to wait for approval first. We're gonna do that tomorrow, but I'm just tired. Like, I don't know what it's been like. I have not been sleeping well. Like, I've been sleeping fine, but I feel like I haven't been getting enough sleep because the kids in their sleeping pattern over the summer has just been all over the place. It's just been for the past couple of days. Like, yesterday I fell asleep quick. And, yesterday I fell asleep real quick. Like, I was asleep before everybody. But the night before, 2 nights before, like, either she was asleep and he was up or vice versa. And I'm just like, bro. And me, I don't like going to sleep when they're up because that just, I don't know, that makes me paranoid. Like, what are they doing up? So, yeah, so we're about to go to bed early tonight and start off the week right. Like I said, we'll be traveling and stuff, so gotta make sure we're well rested for that. What's going on? Let me know down below how you guys have been. I don't know, something's been going on my Instagram stories where it's not like, bruh, Tristan. Boy, took my bonnet off. Don't do that again, okay? Hold my hand. Hold mommy's hand. So yeah, what was I saying? Something's going on. Something's been going on with my Instagram, my stories. Something's been going on with my Instagram stories where it's not posting. Like, I will post and then I'll go back there and it has like a little red circle thing saying upload fail. Like, I just don't know what's going on. So hope you guys have been doing well. I know I haven't done Black Along the Border in a couple of weeks. Yeah, it's been a while. If you guys have any Black Along the Border suggestions, let me know, so that way when we come back we can make sure that we get those for you guys, because we've been traveling and, you know, since we've been traveling and we haven't been here, I can't show you the border, so I haven't been posting them. But when I come back, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's about it, because I feel like I'm talking your heads off because I'm tired, and y'all know when I'm tired I start rambling. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Had African food lately, or if you are planning to make African food, like I said, the ladies recipe, I follow like 3 different recipes, so I'll link them all down below so you guys can know and all that good stuff. And yeah, so you guys have a wonderful week. Hope you guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.